The Aupelvno CarPlay Adapter 2025 offers a seamless transition from wired to wireless connectivity, enhancing your driving experience by integrating with your car's existing control system. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design, requiring no additional converters or apps, and it ensures a quick automatic connection every time you start your vehicle. This adapter is widely compatible with a variety of car models from 2019 onwards, making it a versatile choice for many drivers with iPhone devices running iOS 10 or later. Equipped with advanced technology, it provides a fast and stable connection, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted music, precise navigation, and clear calls on the go. Its compact and sleek design not only reduces cable clutter, but also blends seamlessly into your car's interior, making for a safe and distraction-free driving experience. With enhanced durability and safety features, including improved heat dissipation and over 10,000 plug-and-unplug cycles, this adapter is built to last and protect your car's USB port.